myself Yasir ARFATH. I am from Kurg, from Karnataka. I am graduation in mechanical engineering, 2017-18 batch pass out. After that, I just worked in mechanical core companies for 3 years, but I could not find better life there. So even I was in Dubai, like in mechanical field, but I could not find better there. So I was back to India. So I thought I want to shift from mechanical to IT field. So I got kind of ideas. At the time I was searching to get which is the best course at the time. So I found that like data science is like a better for right now. So I chosen data science. So it was like bit confusion, like where should I go, what should I do. So I was contacted main institute for data science. At last I just contacted Besant technology. So I was contacted the person like Vignesh. Then we have discussed everything like fees, duration of courses, etc. So I thought like I feel better there. So I was completed my data science course there. Yeah, it is good. You can get better knowledge there. Not better, you can find good, but it's good to learn the data science course. It was like within 20k, you'll get better knowledge there. For the data science I have done. Then Vignesh is like a office like staff there. So he was very supportive for me in the beginning of in the course also, while doing the course. After the completion of the course, he was supporting very much to get the job. So guys, after the completion of course, I taken 1 year to get the job. So right now I just working as a data engineer. So I want to say about this to you. So based on technology, it's fine. You can do anything knowledge. So don't give up your dream, work for it.